What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's me, Will Gore. How you all been? All been great, thanks for asking. Right, sorry guys, I haven't recorded for this long, but I don't even care because now I am recording. Reason I didn't record, I'm not gonna tell ya. Hello. Right, anyway, so we're just playing some Street for 10 minutes. I don't know. Alright, anyway. How many people? 1, 2. Thanks, man, for saving my life. I didn't need it, but I got it. I don't know. Dude, you keep saving my life. I'm just gonna follow you for the rest of my life. No, I clicked the wrong button. Yeah, my saviour. This is my saviour, Bob. What? Lag? 50 ping. 55,000 ping, ladies and gentlemen. 55. No! I nearly died. FBI, coming up! Good job. Gonna keep following you because you got me there. Oh no, you're gonna die. I just got 2 kills. I saved this dude's life. But after he saved mine at least 10 million times. Where you going, son? Okay. What's going on? Do you have a YouTube channel? Because I will not subscribe. Bro. This dude is totally fine with my stream sniping. JK, I'm not stream sniping.
Stop it. Get some milk.
Almost hit him. You guys can go back and watch that. I almost clipped his head. Guaranteed you. No, I think I missed him by a mile. FBI. We are blue team. I need you to do 20 bullets. Oh guys, have you seen my building lately? I sweat hard. Oh, someone's got the taser and I'm gonna find out who. Okay, so it must be B. You have it, don't you, mate? Wait, what? Who am I dying to? I'm dying to like 5 people. I don't know. Alright, what is the red team captured? Nothing. Roll XD. Roll XD. Roll. I wish I had T-pose. That would just be great right now. Hello. Hello, sir. Don't mind me. Red team is not actually got anything. Hello. So, that is the end of the round. And I need to search something up. This is what my brother is, guys. Don't tell him. If you guys tell him, I'll cry. This is my brother. Oh, I think I spelled it wrong, actually, people. Sorry. Yeah, that's what my brother is. He's a screen sniper. Yeah, that right there, that's my brother. No, that dude right there, he's literally looking at him. Nah, mate, that dude. Yeah, that dude right there, that's my brother. Well, and then that's me, alright. So that's a perfect explanation of what I've just summed up there. Anyway, let's keep playing until 10 minutes. Ah, bro, leave me alone. Can I please have some peace and quiet? You know what? I'll make my own peace and quiet up. I don't know, will I? The screen sniper died though, so that's nice. I killed myself 'cause I'm really, really bad. Like extremely bad. Oh, hit him. Hit him for basically 30. Alright, no more memes for you, son. All my friends are dead. Lead me to the edge. I'm on 10 HP. Someone save me. No, I'll save myself. I'm actually still one hit. He finally killed me. Good on you, mate. You did it. You saved America. No, sorry to ruin your party, but you're dead. What? No, don't trap me. What? Screen sniper! Fucking screen sniper! I hate you. I'm gonna report you. If this dude kills me one more time, I'm gonna report him. Simple as that. I tried to hack the game, but it didn't even work. Right, guys, unfortunately, I'm gonna have to cut it there. As soon as I get to the crate, I'm gonna have to cut it there, son. I can't build. Okay, let me just take a moment. Okay, now I can build. Leave a like if you think I will make it. If not, don't. But I think I'm gonna make it. Comment down below if you enjoyed this video and what will I make. Please subscribe to WGlory, and I'll see you guys all next time.
Boys, dinner's ready.